The next question is, a sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. So 7 students are given the cash prizes and altogether the sum is 700 rupees. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. So there are 7 prizes. So we can take as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. So the question is to find these 7 values. What is the given condition? Sum of 700 rupees. That means S7. There are only 7 prices, isn't it? So S7 is given as 700. Okay. Again, what is the first prize? First prize, we don't know the value. We don't know any of these values, but we know that the first prize and the second prize differ by 20 rupees. The third prize and the second prize differ by 20 rupees. Since it is a actual life problem, first prize amount will be more, isn't it? So if I am taking first prize amount as 500 rupees and if I am saying the second price is 20 rupees less, what will be the second prize amount? It will be obviously 480, isn't it? So 20 rupees is less for each price. So first price is having the maximum amount. Second price will be differing by 20 rupees. So in this case, what will be the third price amount? It will be 460 and so on. So if I am taking this AP, can you say what is D? D means second term minus first term, isn't it? So in this case, it is 480 minus 500. That means D is minus 20. First price and second price difference is 20, but second price is less than the first price by 20 rupees. So that we have to take the value of D as minus 20. Clear? First price is the maximum amount. Second price and first price differ by 20 rupees. That is clearly mentioned in the question. So second price amount will be lesser than the first price amount. So when we take the difference, second price minus first price will be, though it is 20, second price will be lesser amount than the first price. So D we have to take minus 20. Okay. Again come back to the given thing, S7 equal to 700. Apply the formula. What is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 700. So our aim is to find these 7 values. That means we have to find a and we know the value of d. We have to find the value of a from this equation. N is 7. So 7 by 2 into 2 into a. A we don't know the value. N we know the value as 7. So 7 minus 1 gives you 6 into d we took as minus 20 is equal to 700. Okay, this 7 and 700 get cancelled, giving you 100. So you are getting 2a minus 120 and a 1 by 2 is outside is equal to 100. Okay, can we cancel this 2 and 100? No, because this 2 is in the denominator, this 100 is in the numerator. Take 2 common from these two terms. So what we get is 1 by 2 is already there. So into 2 and here what we get, a minus 60 is equal to 100. So that this 2 get cancelled. So we are getting the equation a minus 60 equal to 100 and a is equal to 100 plus 60 which gives you 160. So we got a as a is the same as a1. So a1 is equal to 160. So the first price cash amount is 160 rupees. The second price cash amount differ by 20 rupees. Then can you say what is a2? A2 will be 20 rupees less than 160. That means 140. Okay, what is A3? A3 will be 20 rupees less than the second price, that is 120. What will be A4? A4 will be 20 rupees less than A3 which is 100. A5 will be 20 rupees less than 100 which is 80. A6 will be 20 rupees less than 80 which is 60. And A7 will be 20 rupees less than 60 which is 40. Therefore, at last you have to write the price amounts are: first price is rupees 160, rupees 140 is the second price, rupees 120 is the third price, rupees 100 is the fourth price, rupees 80 is the fifth price, rupees 60 is the sixth price, and rupees 40 is the seventh price. If you have any doubt, you just add and see 160 plus 40, 200. 140 plus 60, again 200. 100 plus 80, 200. So 200 plus 200 plus 200 gives you 600, and there is 100 balance. So plus 100 gives you 700. The total amount was given as 700, and these are the amounts of the cash prices.